All right, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, back for the afternoon meeting on the 21st of June. Want to go over a couple of positions that we had and how things worked out, see how the market overall. I'll be totally honest with you. I had a flat day, actually lost a little money today. Not very proud to talk about that, but I had some really nice positions, and I think what happened with me, and I want to share it with you because I know some of you guys don't always think, listen, I don't always make money, and I always would admit when I'm wrong. But one of the big things I did today, some of the issues I made, is that we had some really good movers, but I was in probably 2 or 3 positions at one time, and I was making money on one position, I was losing on the other. Obviously, you saw what happened with Twitter and a couple other ones that we had. The IMGN had a nice little pop. So I know some of you guys did pretty well, but my catastrophes are usually sometimes of your great educational opportunities, and I like to talk about that because I know some of us did pretty well today, but overall, you know, I got into a little bit too many more positions that I wanted to this morning, and I like to talk about them so you guys can learn from it. And I want you to get prepared to go in this afternoon. So let's kind of talk a little bit about what those things were, the ones that did move. First of all, the AMD. By the way, that was a great trade this morning regarding about the pre-market. And when I made that call out and I told you there was major resistance levels at 1375 due to the long-term trade, and you saw the iceberg order. Actually, if you look at the this morning's recording on YouTube, you'll see it. Great lesson to learn that. And look what happened. The stock, you could see it went all the way from that 1375, boom, all the way down to 1310. Now, granted, stock came back, kind of hit, did its little shakes, and then boom, it moved in the afternoon. But once again, we don't trade in the middle of the day, so good for AMD as a swing trade, but as a day trade, not interested. IMGN, that one, very easy money. That stock just kind of just moved really nicely. A couple of you guys did really well on that position. I know Steve did pretty well, and everyone else. I made a little extra. I made a little money on that one. Twitter, TWTR was another one. Great mover. I unfortunately chased this stock, and I made money on it. You could see right here, it was a great pop. It had a nice little Fausto flag right here. Let me just zoom in over here. Great Fausto flag, made a pop. I did pretty well on it. It looks like it did a lot better than what it looks like. But by the time we found it was kind of a little late. I ended up finding it right around this time, right around the 1760s. And I wrote it all the way up around right around 1796. I got out of it. It just got pretty nasty because I was in the other position, and I was like, which one I'm going to trade, because it was just all over the place. But that was a nice little winner right there. Don't know what the news on it, but let me tell you, what a beautiful, beautiful trend. Which, by the way, nasty. VRX, nasty. That stock shook me out. This stock really ticked me off because we saw the stock make a big run, had a nice little Fausto flag, had it right here, thought I was doing well on it, and then they got caught up in the shake, and you could see what happened. The thing just, had that nice little market move right here. Let me blow this up for you. Nice little Fausto flag, boom. I kind of chased it right here, made that big move, but I ended up breaking even because I was in other positions. So that was another stock. I just, and I said it in the trading room. I said, you know what? Remember the stock? Stock's got some nasty shakes. You know what? I don't think I'm never going to trade that stock ever again. That stock really upset me. All right, JD, expensive, nice move. Going to put this back on the watch list. JD, really, really, really nice stock. Little fast. You can see that little level too, flashing like a Christmas tree. But it is at the highs of the day. It is pretty nice. I like that one also. And did I mention the AMCN again? AMCN, that was very easy. The only thing I didn't like about it is that it was moving a little slow, and the volume didn't really start picking up a little bit later. But that one did pretty well also. All right, so those are basically what we have, what we found. That moved pretty nicely, and I want to kind of go back into our big percentage gainers and see if there was anything that also came from that we want to look at. By the way, there's other stock that we traded this morning, the DCTH. You could see what happened. Boom. I had a lot of shares of that stock too. And I mean, this stock was trading like hundreds of thousands of shares at a clip. I actually broke even on this trade. Nasty stock too. This is why you can't trade penny stocks on that point. So anyway, what it is, I guess, right? You know, can't win them all. But anyway, the good thing is I didn't get beat up too bad. I was only down like, you know, $100 or something like that. I was just upset because I was up pretty nicely on some big winners. So, you know, don't mind me venting out on it. I was just upset that I traded a little too many stocks and did one more time, more than one than I wanted to. The LZB, nice trend, nice push. You know, you got the resistance levels right here. Great iceberg orders. Look at the matrix. Great, great, great iceberg orders out there. Fausto, you combed your hair. It's the gray hairs. They don't move. They just stay there. So it's like it's automatic instant gel. Thank you very much, Ken. Anyway, the LZB, nice little moving stock, nice trend. You know, not terrible. I kind of like that one. Everything other that you see on this watch list, the volume is just so low. You know, everything's like a million, you know, 1,200,000. Nothing really that we want to kind of look at. This one wasn't bad, but the problem with this one also, it's a 5-cent spread, 10-cent spread on that stock. So remember I did a class on scalping. I'm actually going to do a quick one. I'll do a tip of the day one. I'll put on YouTube what a scalp is, but definitely that is another one you have to look out for. That one, nice little trend, nice little move. You know, I kind of like that one, not terrible. Losers, look at that, 12%, 14%, really nothing there. Nothing at all that's worth, you know, crying about. Let me look at my other scanner over here on the left. By the way, don't mind me. You see me looking all over. I got 6 monitors, so I have different. I'm constantly shopping for all of us out there. This one other stock, I do want to kind of keep an eye on. The only thing I was concerned about, I thought the volume was okay. NLNK, put that one up there. This stock was a $24 stock. You could see it got totally destroyed. Looks like it's been going on a nice little uptrend. Spread's okay. I like that it has some nice iceberg orders out here. You got some 6,000 sellers, 4,000s. So, you know, we're testing major resistance levels right here in the intraday. So that one starts breaking out and it starts getting past that 760. I'm all over that one. That one looks pretty good. Not only that, but look at that Fausto flag. You guys see that? Looks like it's building one right here on over the course of the day. Remember, FF flags just don't happen, you know, tick by tick, you know, bar by bar. It also affects long term too. But that one's going to probably have to be a hold until the 3:30. We'll see how that goes. All right, guys, anything I'm missing I did not call out? Anything missing? LZB went up 25 cents. Yeah, okay. Thanks, Dana. Yep, I tell you, it's that. The only problem with that is, like I said, it's a scalping stock. You got to be careful of that 5-cent spread, but that was a really nice move right there. Good, good. And let me tell you, pretty chart, really pretty. And it's got some really nice iceberg orders out there. All right, everybody. So, listen, you saw what happened this morning. Just don't get too cocky out there. And, you know, if you see something, say something in a trading room. All right. We'll have this recorded. It'll be up there in the next few minutes on YouTube. We'll post it when it's ready to watch. So if you want to go back and review at the end of the day, it's there for you if you're watching. All right, guys. And don't forget, just give us a thumbs up when you like it. Thanks, everybody. One last one. Dana says, Fausto, check out the DNK. Oh, Dunkin' Donuts? Getting killed, huh? Getting killed. Yeah. Short. DNKN. You know what's so funny? I think Dunkin' Donuts got crushed. Just want to let you know. You know, they changed their whole menu that you can now not get like packages. And I heard that when they started doing that, it really hurt the stock a lot. So I don't know. Maybe that's a start. All right, guys. So anyway, someone's catastrophe is our opportunity. Thanks, everyone. All right. See you all. If I don't see you into the close, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Don't forget, bright and early, 8:30 we start. 9 o'clock we'll do the next meeting. All right. Thanks, everyone. Good luck.